Hey everyone, I am so excited. I am coming to you from the Carnival Firenze. This is my balcony cabin, and I met some amazing cool people and they gave me some really cool stuff. So I just wanted to share all of that with you and tell them thank you. So from the Cruising Cousins, they gave me this really cool hat for the sun with ducks, and also this really cool lanyard. Have a ducking good day. And oh, okay, these ducks, these are so cool. It's like it's a duck family. These are custom made ducks that Kelly from Cruise Quackers made for me. So you can see it, cruisingquackers.com. She makes way more than just ducks. She also makes gear, apparel, like all kinds of duck stuff. She makes clothing, shoes, like everything, you name it. She is amazing. Make sure you check her out, cruisingquackers.com. A lot of her stuff goes to support different charities and things like that. So she's amazing. She's so generous. She is awesome. And then last but not least is these cool little buttons. So Kevin put on a little meet and greet and he gave away all these really funny, cool buttons. And he made me these custom. These are wood laser engraved. These go to my Facebook page. You can see like a few of those. He also made me this really cool thing. I put this on my door. You can see that. So, and actually a bunch of people, for the first time, this was actually one of my fans. He asked me about like a whiteboard to put on the cabin doors. So I looked it up through Amazon. I've got a link below, and this is what I bought, and I put it out so that people could write me messages, and I've got all kinds of really cool and funny messages. So you can see those right here. What a fun thing to do. And just kind of cool to get to meet new people. So, if you haven't already, if you're booked for a cruise, first thing you do when you book a cruise, this is what I do also, is look for a Facebook group or, something else. There's a few others that you can find, online forums where you can meet people who are going to be on the same cruise that you are on, so you can meet them beforehand. So people like Kelly, Kevin, I've been talking to them for a while. So I feel like I've gotten to know them. And now, of course, once meeting them in person, they feel like lifelong friends. So it's such a great way to meet people. You can ask people all kinds of questions about cruising. I've cruised a lot. I did not know that the Firenze actually does buffet, but in the MDR on embarkation day. And I went and checked it out, all because I found that out on my Facebook group. So make sure you check that out. And yeah, make sure you check out these people, cruisingquackers.com, and then I will put a link to Kevin's stuff. He's got a Facebook page. It's his business, him and his wife. They are so funny. It's so awesome. Make sure you check them out and support them. All right. Now have a great day. Bye.